So hello Sunbeamers, how are you? Welcome to the class. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to read the most important part of our chapter, multiples and factors with HCF and LCM, that is HCF and LCM. So in the previous class, we have already read about multiples, factors, prime numbers, composite numbers, prime factorization. So today we will read HCF. Let's start with HCF. Please avoid background noises. Okay. Please avoid the background noises. I can control over that. I have no control over that. So, okay, highest common factor. HCF is the highest common factor. What do you understand by the highest? We have learned about common factor. What is the highest common factor? The common factors between the two numbers. Okay. The largest common factor between the two numbers to the greatest number, which is a factor of the numbers. It is a common factor between two or more numbers. So if I will give a question, we will understand this by questions only. Okay, we will understand this by questions. So if I will tell, find the HCF of 12 and 80. Okay, so basically we will learn here division method, using division method. So any method you can use. Let us use division method only. Okay, let us use division method only. So first we will find the factors, prime factorization. We will do it by prime factorization only. Okay, it is a good process. So first we will find of 12. 12 prime factorization, if we will do, it will be 6. 3 if we will do, it will be 2. 18 will do prime factorization. Okay, if we will do it with 3, again 6 will come. If we will do it with, again we will with 3, 2 will come. Okay, now that's it. So the prime factorization, if we will do here, 12 comes what? 12 comes what? 2 into 3 into 2. And 18 comes what? 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now let's see that what is common in them. What is common in them? What is common in them? What, what is common in them? See, these two twos are common, these three threes are common. Like this you have to find. Two twos, three threes. Okay, then how you will do? Bring 1 2, don't bring two twos, only 1 2 you have to bring. And these two threes are common, bring 1 3. 3 into 2 is 6. So the highest common factor is 6. So like this method is there, how you can find the HCF of two numbers. Okay, let's try one more question. Let's try one more question. This one I'm erasing. Let's try one more. Okay, let's try one more. Find the HCF of 42 and 48. Okay, 40, 42 and 48. Let's try. Easy one. I know all can do, but let me do. 42. Okay, 42. You can take with 2. 21 will come. You can take with 3. 7 will come. Done. 48. 48 we have done many times. Again I'm doing. 2. 24 will come. 3 will take. 8 will come. 2 we will take. 4 will come. Again we can take 2. 2 will come. This much. So now we will try it here. For 42, what you have found? 2 into 3 into 7. 48, sorry. 48, what you have found? 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is common? What is common? You can see only 1, 2 is common. Nothing is common. Only 1, 2 you can find. So the HCF is 2. Single 2. Okay. Sorry. And 1, 3 is also common. I'm sorry. 1, 3 is also common. So HCF is 6. Again 6. Again you will find 6. 6 7 are 42. 6 8 are 48. So here 2. What I am doing today. Here 2. Okay. Here is 2. 2, 3 are 6. So 6 is the HCF. One more question I am giving to you. You do. Okay. Okay. One more question I am giving. You do. Find the HCF of 96 and 100. 96 and 100. So you can pause the video and do. I am doing now. Okay. I hope all of you have done. Now let's take 96. Prime factorization we will do. 2, 48, 2, 24, 2, 12, again 2, 6, again we can take 2, 3, yes, over. Now we'll take 100. 100. Okay. 100. 2 you will take, 50 will come. Now you can take 5. 5 tens are 50. 5 is a prime number. 10 will come. Okay, if you will go by multiplication method, it is little difficult. It is better to go by prime factorization method only. Okay, then you will can again take 2, 5 will come over. Now we will write 96 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 2s and 1 3, 100. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now let's check the common ones. Let's check the common ones. 1 2 2 2. Okay, so HCF is how much? 2 into 2, 1 2 common, second 2 common. You have to bring only one. You select 2, but you have to common only one. Bring common only one. 4. 4 is the HCF. Okay. Now I think HCF is totally clear. Now we will learn about LCM. Okay. LCM. What is LCM? Least common factor. Least common multiple. I'm sorry. Least common multiple. Least common factor for all the numbers is 1. Okay, remember that. LCF of all the numbers is 1 and HCM of all the numbers is infinite. You cannot find the HCM of all the numbers. Highest common multiple. You can find the lowest common multiple. So how to find the LCM? Okay. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. LCM of 6 and 8. So first we will do by normal method only. Okay, we will take the LCMs of all the numbers. First we will take the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 42. Okay. 48. That much you take. 8 is 8, 16, 24. The next after 24, 32, 40, 48. Okay. One more if you want. Okay. 56. So now let's check the common multiples. Let's check the common multiples. Okay. See, first is your 24. 24. Now is your 48. Check it. Yes. 48. So what is 24 big or 48 is big? 24 is big. Sorry, 48 is big. But you have to find the least common multiple. Least means what? Small. Okay. So that's why LCM is how much? 24. LCM is 24. Okay. LCM is 24. Now there is another one method also to find. We will use one more question, okay, and find by another one method. You have to find the LCM of 20, no, 2 and 8. Okay, let me select a question. You have to find the LCM of 10 and 15. LCM of 10 and 15, not by this method. This is a hit and trial method. We will find by prime factorization method. Okay, we'll find by prime factorization method. So question, now I am giving a question first to do. Then I will go 2 and 8. 2 and 3 you find. Okay, not so hard. 2 and 3 find LCM of 2 and 3. So let me reveal the answer. You can pause it. Okay, pause now and do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, I will 10, 2 and 8. Now 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 14. Sorry, not 12, after 15, 18, 21, on and on and on. Okay. So what is the common one? Common one. Common one. You can find here 6. 6. You can see here. This is hit and trial method. Okay. We will not use this one to do questions. 12. So LCM is how much? LCM is how much? 6. Now let's try for 10 and 15 the prime factorization method. Okay, this one is the bet. This is not good. This method is not good. Let's try the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay. So 10 and 15. 10 and 15. 10 and 15. So here you first take two numbers. 10 and 15. And we will do it by prime factorization method. So how to do it? By prime factorization method. You have to find the HCF of this number first. Okay. In order to find the HCF, first how to explain. First, one thing you do, you find the prime factorization one first you do. Okay. First you take common prime factorization. Take a prime number that is divisible by both the numbers. Okay. Take a prime number divisible by both the numbers 2 and 3. finished. Prime numbers came, stop. One more method also I will try. Now what you will do, just multiply 5 into 2 into 3, what you will get? 5 10, 10th is a 30, 30, LCM is 30. Okay, take a common divisible. You have to think that common divisible, okay, common divisible between these two numbers, and then you have to find. As prime number came, just multiply all. There is another one method also. Okay, we will take one more question and do prime factorization only, but some different way. Okay, 20 and 25. Okay, question is 20 and 25. So first, think two numbers. Think two numbers. Think some numbers. Okay, 20, what you will decide? 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. And this 4, you can divide it into prime numbers. You can divide it into prime numbers, 2 into 2. So what you got in 20? 2 into 2 into 5. For 25, there is only one thing, 5 into 5. This is a prime factorization method, but not as good as the method I have told you. You just think common factor. Common factor is 5. Divided by 5 will get the answer. But this one also you try. So now 5 into 5, this is 2 into 2 into 5. So now what I have got here, 5 comes 2 times. 5 comes 2 times, write it once. 5 comes 2 times, write it once. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, write it 2 into 2. Okay. Again, when 5 is there, write that 5 also. Write that 5 also. Multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25 is 100. 100 is the This is not as good as the prime factorization method. Now I will do the same in prime factorization. The best method, I think. Let's clear all. 20 and 25. Common factor is coming in your mind. Any common factor divisible. Yes, 5 in 5 table we are having 20. In 5 table we are also having 25. So let's take 5 here. You are having your 4. You are having your 5. Now 4 is one composite number. You check that two prime numbers are there. Two prime numbers are there, but there 4 is one composite number. Again you divide it by one prime number. 2. Now you will ask question, अगर हम 2 को लेंगे तो 5 का तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. नहीं आएगा, वैसे ऐसे ही छोड़ दो. 5 did not come, leave it like that. 5. Okay. 5 2 2 5, same method came now. 5 into 2 into 2 into 5, same 100. Okay, one more we will try by this method. 6 and 12. 6 and 12 we will try by this method. 6 and 12. Okay, it's a new method for you. In table 2, 6 and 12 both are coming, yes or no? Take 2. 3 is there, 4 is there. Now we will take 2. In table 2, 4 is coming, but 3 is not coming. So leave 3 as it is. 3 जैसा है वैसा छोड़ दो. 3 को ऐसा रख दो. 4 over. So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 24.